We come on the Sloop John B, my grandfather and me. Around Nassau town we did roam, drinking all night, got into a fight. Well, I feel so broke up, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sail and see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. Let me go home. Why don't they let me go home? Yeah, yeah. Well, I feel so broke up, I wanna go home. Did it, did it, did it. The first mate, he got drunk and he broke in the captain's trunk. The constable had to come and take him away. Sheriff John Stone, why don't you leave me alone? Yeah, yeah. Well, I feel so broke up, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sail, see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. I wanna go home, let me go home. Hoist up the John B sail, feel so broke up, I wanna go home. Poor cook, he got the fits, and he threw away all my grits. And just then he took and he ate up all of my corn. Let me go home. Why don't they let me go home? Yeah, yeah. This is the worst trip I've ever been on. So hoist up the John B sail and see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. Let me go home. Why don't they let me go home? Yeah, yeah. Well, I feel so broke up, I wanna go home. Did it, did it, did it. We went on the Sloop John B, my granddaddy and me. Around Nassau town we did roam. Sheriff John Stone, why don't you leave us alone? Yeah, yeah. Well, we feel so broke up, we wanna go home. So hoist up the John B sail, see how the mainsail sets. Call for the captain ashore, let me go home. I wanna go home, let me go home. Hoist up the John B sail, we're so broke up, we wanna go home. Let me go home.